Hey, easy peasy English learners. If you're a beginner, this video is for you. A lot of you ask, how can I start speaking fluently and using longer sentences? Well, of course, we can jump into long sentences right away. We have to build from the bottom up. That means starting with short and simple sentences. So, here's one super important tip from me today. We're gonna learn how to describe a place or thing using the word where. So, where is a relative pronoun. There are other ones too, like who, that, and which. But don't worry, we're taking it slow, step by step. So, we're just focusing on where, and where is used to talk about places and what they're for. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident making full sentences without sweating too much. Let's get started. Okay, so we have supermarket. This is the place where we buy groceries like fruits, vegetables, and snacks. Let's break it down. This is the place where, now ask yourself, what do we do there? We buy groceries like fruits, vegetables, and snacks. Now that's a complete sentence. Just put them together and boom, you have a full, clear sentence. Next, playground. This is the place where children play. So same idea here. This is the place where, and it needs more because it's only half. Now ask yourself, what happens there? Children play. That's a complete thought. Put it together. This is the place where children play. Easy, right? So next is library. This is the place where people read and borrow books. And we have hospital. This is the place where doctors and nurses help sick people. Airport. This is the place where people catch airplanes to travel to other cities or countries. Next, school. This is the place where students learn new things. And we have cafe. This is the place where people drink coffee and relax. Next, beach. This is the place where people swim, sunbathe, and enjoy the ocean. Church. This is the place where people go to pray and join religious services. Concert hall. This is the place where people listen to live music. You might have noticed something important. After where, we use the simple present tense. That's just the base form of the verb. Like buy, not buying, or bought. Play, go, relax, pray, listen, and so on and so forth. This is the place where people relax. This is the place where children play. This is the place where we listen to music. We use the simple present because we're talking about things people usually do in these places, habits or general functions. And that's it, easy peasy English learners. Now you know how to describe places using where and how to build longer, more natural sentences. Start with just a few examples and soon you'll feel more confident speaking in full sentences without stress. If you thought this video was helpful, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and practical English tips. Oh, and try this. In the comments, tell me, what's your favorite place and what do people do there? Use the sentence pattern. This is the place where. I'll check your answers and cheer you on. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.